Hello, my name is Josh Dotson. I'm with Advanced Test Equipment Corp, and we're here to introduce you to the CertiFiber Max. It is the new MPO tester out on the market for certification. It can do 12 fibers to 24 fibers, up to 1 second in the test. Here's Gavin to introduce you a little more on this new CertiFiber Max.
Yep, I'm Gavin Green. I represent Fluke Networks here in Southern California. I work closely with Advanced Test Equipment. We came in today to show them the CertiFiber Max, which they will be receiving their units here shortly. Going over the team, how to set up a test, how to set your reference, all that good stuff, and we're ready to go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and run the wizard here for the CertiFiber Max to set our reference. As you see, this is going to walk us through the exact way to set up a reference. Go ahead and click Next. All right, I got my test reference cords, and I'm going to go red to the output. And it's going to walk me through. I'm just going to clean these as I go. They are actually already clean, but we're going to confirm. These have been inspected as well, so normally you'd want to inspect, but for today's video, we're not going to do that. All right, so we got those connected. All right, so now we're going to go our yellow on our main test reference cord into our remote. All right, here we go. Okay, the yellows are connected. All right, you heard the chirp. That means they're connected to each other. I'm going to go ahead and set reference. All right, so we passed setting our initial reference here. So now I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to undo my yellow. And I'm going to cap it because I don't want to just leave it out here getting damaged. Okay. All right, now we're going to go next. I'm going to go the gray portion of your test reference cord on your main and remote, and we're going to plug that into the output port. And again, these were inspected prior, so. All right, so those are all connected. Now we're going to follow this wizard, hit Next. Okay, now we're going to throw in our verification cord here. Color's good. One connected there. All right, we should get our chirp here. All right, so we heard our chirp. We've got everything set up. Let's do our TRC verification. All right, so we passed our reference with a loss of 0.87, which is awesome. You can click in there if you want and see the loss of each fiber on this. Let's go back home. But now we're ready to start testing. So now your reference has been set. Moving forward, you can just hit Next. You can take out your TRC verification cord. And you are ready to start testing. We got our CertiFiber Max here. We got here our artifact. We got 50 meters of MPO 16 strand cable. We're gonna have a loss event at 2 and 7. I've referenced out my test reference cords. We're good to start testing. I'll go ahead, click test again. So it looks like we have a loss of 3.92 dB. If I click into it, as you can see, fiber strand 2 and fiber strand 7 failed, just like we had set up in the artifact. It's a 1 second test, and you're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to do a new test on 50 meters of 16 strand MPO connectors and APC connectors for this fiber. We have everything set up. We've referenced out the test reference cords. We have our test limit all set up, so I'm going to go ahead and click test. It's a 1 second test. This one should pass because we have no loss events in this cable. So here we go. As you can see, we got a pass 0.73 dB, giving you all the information. You can click into those results, and you're going to see all your 16 fibers along with their each one's loss, and that is a passing test result.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to www.atecorp.com and get your rental on.